Hello, getting phones is overrated. Let's journal about it and chat. Okay, I drew an old timey phone, and then when I was harvesting, I found the the receiver to another phone. Yeah, that looks like a payphone back in the day. Wish they would have put the whole thing up there, but they didn't. I have to stop this right now and bring this video up to date. This was done before the storm, which took out my electricity. Um, so I was talking about basically in this video, I wanted to document how we as a family was upgrading to new phones. We do this once a decade, about once a decade, because our phones are worthless. But it's time to update it. And I was the stooge who had to go get the phone. I don't like talking on phones as it is. I have videos where I discuss this, but I'm the one that had to go get these phones, and it took me forever. It was such an ordeal. You would think I was buying a car where you sit in there for half the day. Seriously, I wanted to be put on the payroll by the time I left that place. I was just so upset because I spent really 2.5 days because I had to go back for something else. And you have to wait a long time, even though you sign in. There was a young lady who even had an appointment and she had to wait. But it's a big ordeal. Here I'm drawing a pink phone. I'm kind of glad though that I didn't find. I did print off some phones, but I didn't use it here in this session. So I could practice my drawing and my coloring. Y'all remember these old brick phones back in the day? But anyway, basically, I guess what I just wanted to say, because I didn't do very much talking in this journal with me, because I just wanted to document that it was such an ordeal. And when I came home, I said, "This is the end. I'm not getting phones as on everybody else. 10 years from now, you go get my phones. I don't care if I'm on the moon, living on the moon. You go get me. This is get me. You have to get me the phones because there's a couple of people that was in there that too. They were the stooge. We were the stooges, and we were tasked with sitting and getting everyone's phone, which was an ordeal. It was an ordeal. And then dum, that's me, had to go in there the day it was iPhones. I guess the iPhones came out. Oh, help me, Lord. Mm-mm-mm. It was just a really horrible ordeal. So, me and phones, I really not. Oh, and then I wanted to say I don't put YouTube or Instagram on my phones. So if you wonder why I don't instantly comment back, I do comment, but I don't instantly comment back. It's because YouTube is not on my phones. I don't want to be notified like that on my phones. I work with my phones, but I don't put YouTube and Instagram. I have to physically sit down and to to do YouTube and to do Instagram. So that's not something that's on my phone. So, but I guess I wanted to say too. Here I am commenting on the ordeal that was the phone issue, and then the electricity said, "Hold my beer." You think that was bad? But I'm going to talk more at length. Anybody, my previous um, journal with me was to talk about the electricity, not the electricity, the water uh, main line flooding my basement. And then today I go to learn that the insurance isn't going to cover that. Well, that's another problem. We're not going to discuss all that right now. So here I'm talking about the phones and how it took 2.5 days. Well, let's try being out without electricity. Electricity said, well, let a storm come through, and the storm came through, and it just took out everything. And it was the, the electric company put everything back up, put a new, uh, we got pole and everything else, but the conduit connected to the I guess it's the conduit riser connected to your house that connects that was ripped from the home, and that's on you. And you have to find an electrician to put it back up, and that was an ordeal. We were without electricity for a week and a half, and I'm going to discuss that more later. How I got through the water crisis and the electric crisis. My word! So talking about a phone, it's really fine. I don't like to complain, and I don't complain but uh, you know, it still kind of. I see. I put oh joy, going to get the phones, y'all. Yay! Just not a phone person. I do like the phones, but I just not a phone person. I prefer to to talk in person. So anyway, that's all I wanted to come in and say as I get through this. Is here I was talking about my phone problem. How it was such a hassle to go get it that it's kind of funny that the storm said, "Mm-mm, hold my beer." So that's all. But I'm still glad that I am documenting this old joy moment, because I do want to remember that it took 2.5 days to complete the process of these dumb phones, and that next time I'm not going to be the stooge that has to go and get new phones. It's going to be somebody else. Or we're not going to have phones. So either from here, I will play music or see if I said anything new. I just had to come in and update this because this happened before the electricity was taken down. So the beginning of, I guess this happened in September, the end of September. So just wanted to update it. But I like how the page turned out when I was done. So I don't know if I'll, for the rest of it, play music or I'll um, cut some of it out. We still got a ways to go. We still got a ways to go. Here I'm adding the never give up because, like I say, it was an ordeal, but not as bad as the electricity. And so, and then I put, oh joy, not, but of course, it wouldn't be a Micki's Arts and Crafts video if I was in frame, and you can see I'm not in frame, so you know you're in the right place. I'm not in frame. Um, I chose a little hello, and then later I decide to and a bigger hello. And I don't know what I'm putting down there now. I need to go get the original, but I will at the end of the video so you can see get a better look at the whole page. I'll take a still picture of the whole layout. So here I add the a larger hello. But I like the sentiment. Hello, never give up. But on the bottom it says, "Oh joy," and then I added something else, and I put not, and then I guess I put the LOL sticker next to it, and of course you can't see that. So I would like to thank you for sticking with me and watching this journal with me. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye. This is the full spread. Hopefully it's in frame this time. I really like how it turned out. And then I came back later because after I went through the electricity to say now that electricity has been off for 1 week and a day. It was actually, I wrote this on October 19th, and we were out for a week and a half. So by here it was a week and a day. So I was in the dark still when I wrote this. Now that the electricity has been off for a week and a day, this was nothing. And then I put LOL, LOL. Help me, Lord. HML, help me, Lord. But I really like how this page turned out. I really do. So, am I swinging? Sorry, guys. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you can see the whole thing now. And I will talk to you later. Bye.